Today, I'm going to show you the strategy that I use to trade GU. It's a simple break and retest strategy that anyone can learn. It's super simple. And if we go down into the hour chart where I started marking out the trade, you can see that on Monday, we went into this huge consolidation period. And that lasted all the way up until Thursday when we had this big break at 6 a.m. to the downside and swept all the liquidity here. And the trade did continue downwards. After we see that this low's been broken, we see also that there is a huge fair value gap left behind, and that is going to be our entry point. We mark out 50% because it's such a big fair value gap and we don't know how much it's going to cover. So we just aim for the 50%. And we look to see that the market returns slowly to the entry point in a good few hourly candles. When we reach entry, we see this huge wick, and that is obviously triggered our trade. And we have our stops just above these recent highs during the consolidation, and we're just targeting the lows. This was a 1 to 2 trade. It could have actually gone for 1 to 3. If you'd have risked 1%, that would have been a 3% trade. But I always prefer to just play it safe and take my fair share of the market.